Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just got this morning. It is the Apple Watch Series 4. On the front of the box, just has Apple Watch on it. It's engraved. It's very nice. And literally, this is probably the first time I've seen it like this, where it's got nothing around except for on the back, or has some more of the specifications. Little pull tab here. It's kind of frosted. So yeah, we'll do the unboxing for you. And bottom. Pulls right through. At least it should have. And you don't need that, so we'll put that to the side for now. And oh, what's going on here? Oh. I'm not entirely too sure how Apple has decided to package it this year. There's probably a little trick to it. Maybe not. Do you have to rip it? I don't want to rip it. How did Apple do this year? Guys, this is a little different. I don't want to bore you with me trying to open it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video here while I try and figure this out. And, oh, hang on. There we go. We got it. So you gotta just lift it. That's interesting. And how did we do that just now? There you go. So you'll see it right here. It's a little tab. And you'll lift. And it'll come right off. Oh, okay. That's new. Look at that. That's they show you all the bands inside the boxes here. So let me move that to the side for a sec. You can see the bands that they show plus the Apple Watches. So this is just like a second layer of protection, I guess. So we'll put that to the side for now, seeing as we won't need it. They have the Apple Watch there, the version that I got. Okay, here's some more specifications. So it tells you right there the one that I got, plus the band. It comes with the band. Side, other side, top, and the bottom, which is the band that comes with it. But on the bottom here, there's more specifications. So now the band, I'm not going to be using it. It's not really for me. So with that being said, it's going to the side. There's no need to unbox it because I won't use it. And I just realized I'm opening this the wrong way around for you guys to see. So inside, just the box. Designed by Apple in California. The watch is there. You have the little pull tab to lift up. Little instruction manual, or sorry, pamphlet on how to set up your Apple Watch. The 5-watt adapter, I believe it is. Is this the 5-watt? It is, yep. 5-watt power brick. Sorry about that. The magnetic charger. Now, my understanding is that you don't need to use this one, even though there's a redesign on the back of the Apple Watch. You don't need to use this specific one here. If you have an older one, it will work just fine. Both Apple Retail and Apple's 1-800 number both confirm that for me. And they put it in this nice little case here, I guess, just to keep it. Little microfiber case. I'll put that over here. There is the watch. The new design on the back. The speakers that have been relocated. And that is there for now. I don't want anything to fall. Now the gold is kind of like a rose gold. It's not a rich yellow gold. It's different. It's not the gold I was expecting. But yeah, that is it for the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.